Hey guys, Ren here from Witchy Intentions, and let's talk a little bit about candle magic, or like some of the how-tos I go about candle magic. Because, let's be honest, you might not have a lot of space to work with, or maybe you're a baby witch or a closeted witch. We're gonna work with tea light candles. So one of my go-to things is taking these bigger glasses and putting my tea light candle just right in it, right? Because then I don't have to worry about how big the fire is going to get versus if it's in this one. Especially if I'm putting herbs and stuff in this candle. And if I wanted to color it, I could easily just use these wax seals. These little wax seal waxes. And I could just put it in. Or I can melt the candle first and then put it in. Or whatever your case or preference might be. Another thing I like to do is if I have stuff I don't necessarily want to get covered in wax, like crystals, for instance, if you only have one of that one crystal and you don't want to get it covered in wax because for whatever reason, maybe it's not water soluble and it's going to be harder to get that wax off, or you just don't want to deal with the mess, that's fine. You just put that in the bottom of this one and you just put that guy right on top of it and it's working. This works better with chips. I just happen to, you won't be able to see the chips. So that's one way. You can also use these guys for offerings, whether it's liquids or solids. If I wanted, I don't know, offer Hades' coin, I could write Hades on this, and this will be Hades' jar, and I could just put like his coins or stuff, whatever I'm giving to him as an offering or gift. And kind of like vice versa. So yeah, and another thing with that stacking method is you can have not just crystals, you could put bay leaves there, anything you don't necessarily want to burn at the bottom of it. You can even put a water-soluble crystal at the bottom representing your earth. You could put a little bit of water in it, stack the other one on top. It's going to cause that candle to float. But then you'll have your earth and your water, your candle will be fire, and this excess amount will be air. And then you'll invoke all four elements. And then, of course, if we're going to talk about the fifth element, which is spirit, well, you bring that to the table yourself or your divinities. So, yeah, I hope that inspired you, gave you a little bit of ideas, and hope to see you guys in the next one.